Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download the character.ai application on your mobile device. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type character.ai and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of character.ai. As you can see, I've already logged into my account, so if you have not, do log in right now. Let's focus on the left side of the screen, and at the very end, you will find your username. Simply click on it right here. A pop-up like this will open up, giving you options like going to your profile, settings and etc. Simply click on the settings button right here. Another pop-up will open up. Now from here, let's scroll to the settings provided. Here's the profile section, accounts and preferences. But at the very end, you will find something like get the app. Click on this button right here. You will then be given this QR code to scan. Simply scan the QR code in any mobile device, and then you will be prompted to the download page in your mobile device. Simply click on download or get depending upon what mobile you are using, and there you have it guys. The character.ai app will be downloaded on your mobile device. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you download character.ai application on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.